Okay guys, the two things I said I was going to alter. This one, the Make It Market $2.99, it says Hey Boo. And then this is the little like flask thingy. This says resin, but like I told you guys, I'm not gonna use the resin. So here's the before. Okay, so I painted this thing black. I was originally going to paint this part all black and then do this part the shaker, but I think I'm gonna do this part either, looks like I have green, maybe I'll do like a lime green or a neon orange, one of the two. And then since I know you can heat emboss wood veneers, I'm going to heat emboss the lettering with this pink fluorescent embossing powder. I will paint the sides black and stuff once this like first layer dries up. Okay, so I whipped out all my handmade sequins and stuff and did this fun mix. I also added some little stars, like beads, because they're thicker and there's room. And then I added some googly eyes in there and some neon green bats to really like make it pop. I went in with my embossing powder like Static Cling and kind of just dabbed all the sequins. I tried to do this to the acetate and it left a powdery residue all over the acetate. So I had to wipe the acetate off. I'm gonna see if this works, and I'm gonna hot glue down my acetate, which I'm sure you can't see on camera. Literally, I just put a piece of acetate on there and then drew around the edge with marker and then just fussy cut after. So here's my thing. So let me glue that. Okay guys, so I hot glued in sections. So I did this and I glued that on. I was able to lift the flap up and kind of just do a thicker glob because it, you know, the thicker it is, the longer it takes to dry. And so I would just do this strand and then push it down, just let it ooze around and then do the same thing throughout. And now I have a shaker. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Look how awesome. All the googly bits, the beads, fun sequin mixes that people have gifted me and made for me. So now I am going to cover the acetate glue ugly parts. You could probably do like a glitterific if you wanted, or I think just a fun Halloween trim or even some bling to go all the way around will look really good. Okay guys, so I just glued some star trim for my stash. I just hot glued it over, you know, the acetate just to cover it up and make it look a little bit better. I did go with black just to make it blend easier. And then wood pieces are done. So this is the Boo and the Hey. I heat embossed it with like a silver Recollections glitter. And then this is a hot pink Ranger one. So it's gonna say Hey and Boo. Okay guys, this is the finished project. Just a super fun, bright neon mix to go with their new like Halloween collection that's like bright fluorescent colors. I am a paper craft, so if this was paper I would normally further embellish. I may add like a little spider right here, hot glue a spider on here, but I hot glued on the veneers, the wood veneers, and I'm gonna leave, this is home decor, so this is gonna go on my fire mantle, but I love the way it turned out. So this is the after. If you guys are gonna do this with the thinner pieces versus the pieces that are already like made to be a shaker that are like 3 inches thick, if you do these, make sure you get one that has an easy shape to fussy cut some acetate. But yeah, I will leave links down below for some goodies and items, and that's it. All right, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.